Is it the bell? What the heck? Holy crap, dude. I gotta start going to bed earlier. Oh my gosh. This is moving. This is moving nicely here, so I'm gonna stick here. My gosh. My goodness. Waiting for the flush. Ah, I caught it. I was like, I'm waiting for the flush. Okay, slow down. After big green days, I'm notorious for having big red days. Okay, I'm out of the red. Okay, so 194 was the key level there. Did not hold. I guess I could have held, but it got super shaky there. There was the break. I sold out at 89. I missed out on 6 cents. That does add up to quite a bit of a missed opportunity. We could get the break at 2. I feel a little bit bummed out because I didn't hold for the break of 94. I felt like they didn't want it to double top. I mean, you look at meds, that thing took a dump. I have a higher red volume here, guys. It's a red topping tail. Oh my goodness. Break at 2. Break. My gosh. This thing really went. I don't think there's any other stock, so this is like pretty hot. Um, Kind of took a big dump there, though. I mean, it was a pretty aggressive move up to 220. I get that. Get some good vibes in here. Guess I should hold a little bit longer. It's really strong. It's a little shaky. Like, look at that. It's getting like a little whippy. It's getting a little. It's because so many people are jamming market orders. It's just like all over the place. Here we go. Halt up. It's 235. I'm sure we're gonna get it. I'm gonna wait out. Hmm. I should hold through the chop. Wow. 246. This is what's hard is these micro scalps are kind of hard to read. It's dropping up and down so fast. That was my issue. I got a little bit of profit, but I'm not, jumping up and down with what I got. I can tell you that right now. I'm not jumping up and down with joy. It's just it. See that? Yeah, that's. Let me size down here for the break at 250. We're gonna get a flush. Let me pull my order. Come on. We gotta get out. This thing's extended. You chase it too high, you get stuck on the elevator as it crashes. You can scan for low floats on TD. This thing's so notchy. Gave back quite a bit on it. Not gonna lie, gave back quite a bit on it. Take a little risk on the next trade. We'll see if we can get something together. It's just a little all over the place. It's not the cleanest stock in the world. It's probably coming down. It's kind of a weak bounce there. What is that, a dab one? Just holding here. Let's see. To watch for that next candle. Interesting. I bought a little high. It's kind of getting choppy here. Be patient with it. Could go here, and that's what I'm worried about, but there it goes. Stinking A. Sellers galore. I'm gonna take a $500 loss on that. That's that sucks. Thought we could get an acceleration right there. We still might, but just what the heck, man? There goes half my profit. Hurts. It hurts. Got a new video coming out at 10:30 today. If you guys would all do me a favor, watch about 30 seconds of it and hit the like button, leave a comment. God dang. Should have just stayed light size. If I would have just stayed light size, I could be probably up 1,500. It's a 5-minute pullback. It's getting the slam-a-bama treatment here. Wow, it just doesn't hold these levels very well. I don't trust it. I think it's going to go to a flush. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Don't trust this. Don't trust this. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Bail, 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 bail. Still selling even though we have a big bid. Get out. There's going to be a lot of people loading here, and that bid might not hold for that. Yeah. Man, you would think it would go. I'm just going to take it at 225. It should have went with that kind of a pattern. That kind of a pattern, it should have went. It's a little shaky. Maybe a bounce off VWAP setup here. I've seen that entry. I'm going to take a stab here once. It's most likely coming down. It's kind of really losing steam fast. It's really going to be risky here. I think it's coming through 220. It's going to be a lot of bulls that are stuck in it that think we're going to get a pop, which we could, but there we got a pop. Hope we don't get a flush. Let's see how high this rides up. Trying to hold for the next candle, but we're losing steam. Gotta cut it. I should have just taken my profit when I had it. That sucks. That was probably, I don't know what it was, maybe 200, 300, 400 bucks winner. I thought we could get candle over candle, which we talked about yesterday in the member discussion. If you guys want to join through YouTube, it's highly recommended that you check it out. Man, I should have just taken that. It's tough because there's so many times where it's like, I should have held, and then there's other times where it's like, well, you should have just taken the profit, the base hit. As they say, should have just taken the base hit. I don't know what this is going to do now. This is not ideal. Okay, shorts might get pinched here. Buying high here, that's not smart. Come on, can't we get a little bit of strength? This looks pretty good for candle over candle. Still 20 seconds out. Just gonna take it. Bad choice. I really don't want to trade for 6 hours today, so in fact, I'm not gonna. Getting kind of high here. I gotta cut it. Sucks. This thing's a little disappointing. Catch a little bit here and there. Is this gonna be the one through 250? Kind of looks like it. It's slowly making its way up to high day for the high day break, which we'll probably get. Shoot. I gotta cut it there. Just gonna stay lighter size. I'm not gonna add. Flush. Back to 1500. I'm struggling on this one. I'm not doing so well. I should have known better. Wow, that was a $200 loss. Hmm. You win some, you lose some. um, for some reason, I really like to cough. Ah, I missed this rebound. Very nice rebound. I'll stay here, I guess. It's a nice bounce that happened there. It's a little high now. 5 minutes set up, though. Nice if it holds here. It's not a good entry. $100 gone. Wow. Just gotta wait, buddy. Wait it out, buddy. That sucks. This when I saw that big seller get or a big buyer get sold out, I should have known better. Unless it was a clear. That was a clear bearish double top here. It's actually hit that level 242. It's hit that level quite a lot. Question is, are we gonna flush hard here? HA. I messed up on it. Do me a favor, guys. Slam that like button. Give it the good old slam-a-bama treatment. It's starting to slip. It's so unfortunate. Starting to slip a little bit. Fortunately. Uh-oh. I took a kind of a big risk there. Wasn't smart. Okay, where's Tup? Back half my profit on this already. What's the float on AHI? Oh, it's a little higher float. Oh, there he goes. That's too bad. I sort of had the right entry. Loaded at 206. Yeah. Had the right idea. But watch this seller here for a pop. I'm using trade ideas, Bill, and but there is a link in the description, I believe, for a float lookup website that I used to use. It's called like I just typed in float lookup on Google, and that works just as well. So we're gonna wait for a pattern to form on this, and we're gonna try to hit it with big size. I don't know if I'm gonna get involved with AHI. It's a little higher price stock, or not higher price, higher float from what I saw. AHI. No, wait, no. That's I didn't type in the right ticker. Float is actually no. Why can't I just type in AHI and press enter? Still don't know the float on it. Did someone say they kind of knew? Wow, got a terrible fill there. See if we get the high day break. Wow. It looked like it was going to do a high day break there. Well, that's good. Come on, baby. Don't stall. I just got out of it. Should have already went, in my opinion. Might have been the wrong decision, but I don't like when it stalls like that and I get big size. AHI is working well. Are you kidding me? We could still set up for another trade here. It's not an ideal setup. It's risky. I could lose all my profit, but just kind of missed it there. Possible break back through VWAP. Breakthrough VWAP, baby. Come on. Just gonna take it there for the breakthrough VWAP. I'm not really like an AHI. It's done me wrong too many times. I'd rather just take break even on it and call it a day. It was a 5-minute setup here. Candle over candle. Now we're at resistance here at VWAP. You're seeing 7 million share float? All right. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, continuation on this. Would prefer not to buy it high. Man, why was I buying it so high? Why? That is impressive. This is good. Good to see. Good to see. I'm going to be patient with it. I don't know if it's going to squeeze the high day. It kind of has that look. Oh, wow. Don't want to buy. I don't want to get sucked into it. It's extended on the 1 minute. I'm afraid that we might get a short squeeze on this. It's going to be a red topping tail, no doubt. I missed out on quite a bit of profit. took the small winning trade, missed out on the big. Got out of there with a penny of profit. Try to get out of this break even. It's got a lot of green. We could get a rush here. I got out break even. Trying to figure out what's the next trade. It's not a clean 1 minute. It's not too clean, but we're getting pullback look. I'm afraid sellers are strong, so we could get a sell off here. I'll wait for a cleaner pattern or something. Should have waited. Wait for more of a clear pattern, some nature. Kind of buying high here. I'm not too happy about it. There's a little something. Will we hold and break through 232? I think we might. Kind of a slow break there. Might just grind up. Possible flush here. Make sure my dad's not blowing up his account. You just gotta get in on the dips and then sell it on the pops. Appreciate all the likes, guys. If you didn't let us know where you're tuning in from, let me know where you're tuning in from. Good morning, Philly cheese. You forgot to say good morning? I can't believe it. Now I'm going to have to give you an ad as punishment. See if we get the break of 59. A nice little break there on Yell. Buy this dip, take a little risk. I'm not going to add. Took it at 215. It didn't hold. I'm looking for the break of 370 on this. I don't know. The seller's sort of building there. We got 41 likes. We're gonna try for 50 likes. It's a little risky, this trade. Okay, we're back on for the break at 370. Let's watch this seller up 65. I added. No. I had to cut it. I should have just taken what I had. Might be time to go back to ADAI. Kind of failed. IDIA 28, got out at 22. Nice push here. Wow. Wow. Bought high, not worth the risk. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, yellow might be done. This thing looks primed for 250 today. 250, and then it squeezed to 3 or 270. 271 is the 200. At 46 likes already. Good, good, good. Could take the elevator down here. Not going to add. I added high. Gotta cut it. Got caught in a flush. That sucks. That goes, I don't know how much I lost. 32. 3 cents, about 300 bucks. I added too high. I thought we could get the acceleration right there to high day. That, I mean, we had the exact same pattern here, and it double topped. We got a double top. Ah, why did I add? Thought we might get a pop. Oh well. Just gotta make sure I don't start rolling the wrong way. I should add big near support, not near resistance. So we just gotta wait here, see what it wants to do. Make it a little micro pop here. Flush. I'm gonna take a break even. I didn't like that trade. I should have bought the dip or the flush. You heading out, K Dubs? All right, take it easy. Just get out break even. Yeah, I should have bought that dip. Oh, if I wanted to be in for the trade, I should have already been in it, so I'm going to let it go without me. This thing's a flusher. We're almost to 50 likes. That's good. Good. We got a video coming out at 10:30. I'm asking everyone to do a favor and watch 30 seconds and leave a like on it. It's just a funny video. It's nothing too crazy. We're waiting for a little bit more clear pattern on this before we get aggressive. So the video is girlfriend attempts to explain day trading terms, PDT, view app, and bull flag. 2 minutes 50. Trying to get 10 likes on it. It's coming out in about an hour. It won't change your life, but it's actually a little bit funny. If you watch to like 2 minutes in, it's actually a pretty funny part. But I messed up the editing on it a little bit. The lighting I messed up. Anyways, so here's the deal with this one. We got to watch what it does. It might shoot up to 232 here, but probably a flush thereafter. So the question is, do I take this B quality setup or do I just take the fingers off the trigger? Got a big bid there. It's very B quality. Okay, I'm going to take an entry here. I see a rush of green, but we're not moving. That's a red flag. It's kind of working. Let's get it up to 232 and hopefully mark it out for the flush. 232, 232, 232. We're going to take it there at 27 because I think it's a flush risk. It's $100. It's 2 pennies. And then there we go. 50 likes. Appreciate it, guys. Shout out to K Dubs, Philly Cheese, SC, Billy Lewis, Chanu. Hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's member Q&A, mentorship, whatever you want to call it. So here's the deal. This thing is doing kind of one of those grinds back up. We're going to wait for some kind of pattern to form. I'm a little worried about this support line here. That's a good fill. That's a good fill. I'm going to hold this up to 230. I'm going to try. Come on. It feels good for a push. I'm going to set my order at 231 to see if the market chases it. Looks like the market's chasing it. Because it's a winning trade, I want to give it the extra benefit. I want to take a little bit of risk. The order, see if that does anything. This thing is a little bit of a grinder, so I'm going to be patient with it a little bit. And it's not looking so good. I'm going to cut it right there at 24. I think that's the right call. Got a little bit of a bottoming tail there. Going to take a start at 24. Might add to it. We need to start seeing a bid up here. Not going to add to it. It's looking really, yeah, that's what I thought. Let's see if we can get a micro pop and a break even out exit. Okay, there's a bid. Still a green candle. This next 1 minute candle is going to be important. I'm going to hold. I'm going to hold. I'm going to add. It's a little risky. Well, we get to squeeze to 232. Big seller. He might crack. He's cracking. He's cracking. He's cracking. Halt us. Gotta take it. Break even. Seller should have cracked quicker. Now I'm chasing it. Should have just held the previous position. Flush risk, flush risk, flush risk. See if it holds. Held the flush. Held the flush attack. Should have punched it at 32. I'm going to punch it at 34 for a chase. It's getting very whippy. I'll take it there. We got big seller. This could be the 250 push or a flush. Ooh, flush risk, flush risk, flush risk. That's a flush. But these flushes get bought up. I'm going to take a stab here at 27. Let's see bulls. See if bulls can pinch these shorts. It's not looking so good. I'm going to take it at 26.5. Big buyer, big buyer. Get a candle over candle up at 34. We'll give it a little extra, couple pennies to see if we get there. Pulling the order to clean up, to get some of the sellers off. According to that, we broke candle over candle. So now it's, are we going to continue higher? A little risky here. I want to get 34. Put my order there. That scared the market a little bit. I've seen that. Okay, that's not good. Hold. Want to get a pop back up. I'm going to take that at 230. Shoot. Okay, whatever. I reposition for another entry. Took it at 230 and a half. We're going to get 234, I think, no doubt. There's 234, my original exit plan. This could be the 250 push. Oh my goodness, I'm freezing up. $250 push, stalled there. Took a break even. Classic double top. I got it. I should have just held for 234. Oh well. Reposition for the next trade. This is looking like a 250 test coming soon. I don't know if it's a pullback or if it's just going to shoot here. It's got that 250 is a key line, and 271 is back of mine target. 5 minutes actually primed for a 270 tap. See a flush here. Let's see if we get one. It's a topping tail, but it's shorts are going to be really scared right here. I'm going to take it at 240 at a high risk trade. See what I got filled at. A little bit of profit. This looks like a 250 test. I'm going to take it here at 250. Buy the dip. Flush. Maybe. 270's target. Nah, that's a flush. That's a flush. If it holds the flush, we could come back up. Like a $90 loss in that last trade. Okay, there's the flush. That would have been a good entry right there. Yeah, I missed that entry. 270 is definitely on the table. Big bid popped up there. It looks like we're going to get 270. I'm going to try to hold it. Flush at any second could happen. Try to hold for a push of high day. Resistance there. I'm going to take it, even though it looks good. I can reposition back in. I'm going to reposition back in. Kind of bought high. That sucks. Break through 270. That 270 is the 200. So we're tapping that 200. We usually break through the 200. Unfortunately, it's extended. I'll go down to 2700 for capital preservation purposes. This thing is a flusher, so you got to just be careful a little bit. At 270 is major resistance. And we're rejecting off of it, so I don't like the freeze up ahead. I take it at 258 for a penny and a half. It's a little risky. This is pretty high entry. I might get stuck in a drop. I'm going to take it there at 59. This could be the push right here. A little dip. Let's take that. Buying high again, buying late. Nah, I better get it out there. $250 support will likely break, I think. Nah, bounced off 250. But I'm gonna shoot. We're getting some surges of green. We might get something here. Oh, this doesn't look so good. See if they get up to 270 on this. I'll take it right there. Add back for the break of 270. $270 break seems likely. I just don't want to get too sucked into that idea. Flush risk. Oh. Flush. I gotta take it there at 260. I was smart, I'd just hold for 270 break. That was my entry there. We're just seeing a lot of red on the tape. See if we get a pop here. Breakthrough high day. Do 900 shares on the dip. Possible parabolic move. It's getting a little shaky up here. Reducing size at the highs. Sure, we're going to get a flush here any second. Probably candle over candle. So members notice how I went from that 1 minute strategy to the micro scalp strategy. The micro scalp strategy was within the breakout there, which was up through 250, and then the squeeze to 270, which we had marked out pre-market as a key level. And sure enough, we tapped the key level, pulled back, and broke through it. That's a pretty standard. It's a pretty standard theme. Now it's how much further is the ball going to